When I started print on demand, I knew I wanted to open a shop focused on t-shirts for a specific niche, but I completely froze when it came to designing. I kept thinking, what am I even doing? What if no one buys this? What if I'm doing it all wrong? Overthinking every detail, fonts, colors, layouts, and that kept me stuck for way longer than I would like to even admit. At the beginning, I thought creating a t-shirt design, apparel design meant being artistic or creating something super trendy. It doesn't. And what I didn't realize is that when most print-on-demand beginners start, they fail not because they're bad at design, but because they design without any sort of direction. What good design actually is, it means solving a very specific problem for a very specific audience. When I finally figured out how to create a print-on-demand design, everything changed. So here's the shift and what I'm going to be talking about in this video, so you can hopefully start designing based off of data and not just emotion or what you think looks cute. I stopped asking what looks cool and started asking, okay, if someone typed into Etsy or Google or even Pinterest right now, what would they search for? What would they be typing in? And that's how you start designing based off of data and not just emotions. Good POD t-shirt designs come from search behavior, proven niches, and simple layouts that print well. Most best-selling t-shirts have a few things in common. They have clear, readable fonts, minimal graphics, and clear messages. And bonus points, some of them are even personalized too. It's not complicated, it's not super artsy, it's just intentional. Okay, so let's break down my actual design process. Here's what it looks like in literally just 3 steps. First, I start with the niche. Then I look at what's already selling based off data. Again, not emotions, not what I like, what is actually selling, being searched for, being bought, and being liked. And then I design a variation, not a copy. I want it to fit the buyer best. Maybe I found a design in a completely unrelated niche, but it's something that I know I could take inspiration from and gear it towards my niche in an even better way. And that's how beginners win with print on demand. And also why I use Gelato for all my apparel and t-shirts. Their print quality actually supports simple, intentional designs, which matters way more than beginners even realize. So if you're trying to make your first print-on-demand t-shirt design, you don't need talent. You need direction. You need to design for buyers, your ideal customer, not out of perfectionism. Use this exact design process. I promise you it's going to save you a bunch of time and overthinking. Niche first, data second, design last. It's also what I walk you through step by step in my free print-on-demand starter kit. You can grab it down below. It's your first 4 weeks of setting up and starting and scaling a completely brand new print-on-demand shop, all for free. Because ultimately, guessing, it just wastes time. Data, focus, systems, that's what creates momentum. That's what helps you build a successful shop and scale. And you can start designing with Gelato completely for free. I have a special link down below in the description that will get you 50% off your first sample order. And if designing isn't the only thing you're struggling with, check out my free print-on-demand starter kit. Mapped out step-by-step, day-by-day calendar plan for you to literally go in day by day, checklist things, and work on starting, setting up, and scaling your first print-on-demand shop. Absolutely for free. You can get it down below. Thanks so much for being here. Please remember to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what is your favorite design tool? I think I'm tied between Canva and Kittle. Anyways, I'm so glad you're here. I can't wait to see what you design. I'll see you later, Rebel.